All right. Woo! So in this video, we're gonna be going over some quick tips on what to do with maintenance on your QR tri-bike. Today we're gonna be using this super snazzy XPR, but yeah, let's just go over these quick and easy steps to maintaining your beautiful bike. So step number one, make sure you clean your bike after every race. You don't want that hydration getting all over your bolts and everything, because it's gonna cause some erosion. And erosion and corrosion. Corrosion is what I meant to say. So one thing before cleaning your bike, and what I like to do personally, is make sure you clean this drivetrain first. This is where you're getting all that grit and that grime, and that's really your most important part of keeping this rig running well. So what I like to use is just some good old Simple Green. Now Simple Green is gonna basically be like an all-purpose degreaser, but it's really gonna get some of that grease off and gunk off of your jockey wheels and off of the cassette. So start off by doing that. For cleaning your drivetrain, I like to use something like this brush over here just to really get that grit and everything out. So give it a couple sprays. And I like to just do a quick little back pedal and kind of keep the brush in one spot. This really kind of helps to take out all the excess grit and grime that you have on there. All right, so after you clean that cassette, next we're gonna make sure we just get the whole bike nice and cleaned off. What I like to do is get a quick rinse down and then apply some soap. So once we've rinsed off all the soap, we just want to make sure we dry it off nicely and not let any of that water sit there and cause some of that corrosion and rust. So let's do that. Now what I like to do before putting any kind of chain lube on is making sure this whole area is nice and dry. So I'll just get a little rag and we'll just do a quick little back pedal and keep the rag in one place. Get all that excess moisture off the chain. Might do a little bit of drying of the cassette. Now, if it's like a little bit wet, this won't matter too much, but it's good to start off and make sure everything is nice and dry. So what I'm gonna be using is this Rock and Roll lubrication. This stuff is premium. It's so good. Now, it's good to not put an excess amount of this. So once you're done applying, grab a towel that's dedicated to your chain and cleaning chain, and we'll just take that excess off. Don't hold it super tight, but just very lightly. We'll kind of take off a little bit of that excess lube, and you are good to go. So another quick tip is after a long season, and honestly just after a bunch of rides, you might want to check your carbon seat post and make sure you have enough carbon paste. Now this carbon paste is going to be sitting there and making sure that your seat post is not sliding up and down while you're riding, because you don't want that. We don't want a dropper when we're riding tri. If you're going mountain biking, that'd be pretty sick, but we ain't doing mountain biking with this thing. And speaking of checking your seat post, you should probably make sure your torque specs are all torqued and ready on your bike. So over here, you kind of have a max of 8 Newton meters. So with this trusty handy dandy torque wrench, we can just check that real quick and make sure we're torqued to spec. And yes, I would make sure you check your stem. If you have any kind of extension clamp, or in this case, our top mount BTA, be good to check that too. Make sure your through axles are all good and should be good to go. Another great thing to check is, after a race, after, a bunch of training sessions, all that hydration might just start slipping down your down tube. And these bottle cage bolts might start to get a little bit gunky, if you know what I mean. So I recommend going through these and getting a little bit of that Loctite, re-Loctiting them, and make sure you're good to go. So another good thing to check is the wear and tear on your tires. Now, all road bike tires will have these small little indicators for wear and tear. And if you can't see those anymore, it's probably time you switch out that rubber and get some new tires. Oh, what the f? Just kidding, there's nothing in there right now, but definitely make sure after a race that you clean out that nutrition storage. You don't want any gel monsters or who knows what inside that thing. So make sure you get that clean.